Imagine waking up tomorrow and checking your phone to see that you've made $100 overnight without leaving your bed. Sounds unreal, right? But here's the truth. Making $100 a day online is not only possible, it's achievable with the right blueprint, even if you have zero experience. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete plan to start earning $100 a day and scale it beyond, all from your laptop. The first step is identifying a low-cost, high-demand online business model. The easiest and most reliable way to start earning daily is through freelance services. Think about what businesses need most: content creation, graphic design, video editing, social media management, and virtual assistants. Most people think they need years of experience, but with AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney, even beginners can produce professional quality work. For instance, offering AI-assisted social media graphics or product descriptions optimized for sales can start earning you $50 to $200 per client right away. The key is to pick one service and focus on it consistently instead of trying to offer everything at once. Once you have your service identified, you need to find clients. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are goldmines. But the trick is niche targeting. For example, don't just offer writing services. Offer blog posts for health and fitness coaches or product descriptions for small e-commerce stores. Specialization reduces competition and allows you to charge more. Even if you land just one client paying $100 per day, you've already hit your daily goal. The faster you can complete projects, the faster you can scale. Another effective approach is selling digital products. The beauty of digital products is you create them once and sell them repeatedly, which makes reaching $100 a day easier. Think ebooks, templates, printables, or stock images. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website let you sell globally. For instance, a simple 30-day social media content calendar for small businesses could sell for $20. Sell 5 copies in a day and you've hit $100 effortlessly. The trick is identifying small, specific problems and providing a solution. The more targeted your product, the easier it is to sell consistently. Print on demand is another surprisingly simple way to earn $100 per day online. Imagine designing a t-shirt, mug, or tote bag and having someone buy it while you sleep. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring handle production and shipping, so you don't touch the product. The secret to success is micro-niches. Instead of cat t-shirts, try funny productivity cat shirts for remote workers. Even a tiny audience can generate consistent sales if you target a passionate niche. A few sales a day at $25 profit each can easily reach your $100 a day goal. Affiliate marketing is another powerful strategy to hit $100 daily. You recommend products you know and trust, and each sale earns you a commission. You can promote products through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. The key is targeting emerging products or niches with low competition. For example, reviewing new AI software tools or eco-friendly gadgets can generate clicks and commissions before the market saturates. Early adoption rewards early promoters. And even one sale per day in a high-commission product can push you past $100. Teaching online is also perfect for this blueprint. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare allow you to create short, actionable courses. Instead of a massive general course, focus on micro skills. For instance, using ChatGPT to create social media content, or quick Canva templates for entrepreneurs. Micro courses are easier to sell because students want quick results. If you price a course at $50 and sell 2 per day, you've already hit your daily target. Once it's online, it continues earning, making this a semi-passive strategy for reaching $100 a day. YouTube is another tool for hitting $100 daily. Instead of broad topics, create content for niche audiences. Channels focused on AI tools for freelancers, small business hacks, or productivity tips for remote workers have lower competition but high engagement. Even a channel with a few thousand subscribers can earn $100 daily through ad revenue, affiliate links, or sponsored content. Use AI to help with scripting, thumbnails, and editing to save time and maintain consistency. The key is picking topics with growing interest but minimal creators to dominate your niche. Dropshipping is also part of the $100 a day blueprint, especially if you focus on micro products and untapped categories. Think eco-friendly desk accessories, AI-powered gadgets, or hobby-specific items. Set up a Shopify or WooCommerce store and drive traffic with targeted social media ads. Few sellers operate in hyper-specific niches, meaning your cost per click is low and your sales potential is high. Even selling a few items a day at $30 to $50 profit each can hit $100 a day with minimal effort. Subscription-based content is a hidden gem for consistent daily revenue. Memberships like monthly AI toolkits for freelancers or weekly printables for students can charge $10 to $30 per subscriber. With 10 to 15 subscribers daily, you've already crossed $100. Focus on small, loyal audiences that are willing to pay for convenience and curated content. The smaller the niche, the easier it is to grow and maintain your membership. Consistency and engagement keep subscribers renewing and your daily earnings steady. Now here's the blueprint to pull all of this together. Pick one primary business model, like freelancing, and one secondary strategy, like a digital product or print-on-demand item. Your freelance work provides immediate income, while your secondary strategy adds semi-passive revenue streams. The goal is hitting $100 a day consistently, and then scaling by offering additional services, digital products, or expanding your audience. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even a few hours a day focused on executing the plan will compound into real results. Most beginners fail not because the methods don't work, but because they try to chase multiple ideas at once. The $100 a day blueprint works because it focuses on actionable steps that deliver results quickly. Pick one niche, one skill, or one micro product and execute relentlessly. Use AI and automation to speed up content creation, marketing, and customer delivery. With time, your income grows, and the blueprint can scale beyond $100 a day to $500, $1,000, or even more. Take action today. Decide on your primary business model, set up your first service or product, and dedicate focused effort daily. The moment you start delivering value to your audience or clients, the $100 a day goal becomes achievable. Imagine looking back in 6 months and realizing your laptop business not only meets your daily target, but has become a scalable, semi-passive income machine. That's not a dream. It's a single decision away. If this video gave you clarity, don't stop here. Watch the next video where I reveal the fastest way to land your first paying client or sale online with zero experience. And if you want more step-by-step strategies to reach $100 per day and beyond, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build your laptop business together.